Hey guys, it's my review back with another video, and today I have quite an interesting topic for all those Samsung fans and all those gadget lovers actually. And we all know that Samsung has been releasing many of its smartphones recently, including the S lineup, the foldable smartphone, and the M series, A series, and the new device in the A series, which is A90, is supposed to have a sliding and a rotating camera mechanism. And this is leaked by a reliable leakster, so we are quite sure about that. So, what is mentioned in the leak or the tweet is according to new and yet unconfirmed but seemingly reliable source, Samsung Galaxy A90 will come with a sliding and rotating camera system. And these kind of system are not quite new because we have seen sliding camera mechanism in Oppo Find X and V1X and many other devices as well, and also the rotating camera system in the Oppo N1, and which allows the camera to be front and rear depending upon its position, and that can be changed manually or is like motorized system that we are not sure about, but it is quite confirmed that there will be rotating mechanism and which will allow the same camera to be worked as front and rear. So what do you think about this kind of smartphones from Samsung? Are you interested? And if you got to buy this kind of smartphone, then will you or not? Comment me below. Until my next video, peace.